DJ Dylan Ho, in case you ain't know so.
Alright, give that be good. Yo, I'm in the air, sharp with it like an arrow. Fly on my own, I heard you had a Jack Sparrow. You got the pirate swag. I took a second look and noticed you was fake like me when I try to read a book. Reading's not my forte. I like speaking to y'all, the rap game light is dull, and I'm here to change the ball. I got the LED with the highest water, show intelligent, and I ain't never took a step in college. Still in high school, and yeah, I'm 19 cause I don't give up. So what you think I'll do with my dreams? Make them to reality. Everything I ever planned and show these hoes what they really missing in a better man. Life is one chance and there is no way I'ma lose it. Hustle till I get it. Fuck you if you think I'll never do it. Life is one chance and there is no way I'ma lose it. Hustle till I get it. Fuck you if you think I'll never do it, takeover. I'm on some other shit. My time has come like a porn star's on top fucking it. Sharper than a knife, twice as nice like I'm square. Like a horny teen with a condom, I come prepared. They say people stop coming, well they do what they gotta do besides or even. You'd be an odd one not to. Your girl want my nut, macadamian. I feel like a pimp and I'm back to macadames again. Life is one chance and there is no way I'ma lose it. Hustle till I get it. Fuck you if you think I'll never do it. And I can, but just in case I'll have to go harder. Till my hands around his neck like a drunken abusive stepfather. Rapper like this very often. I got hot bars that come with their own sign that say caution. They burn your eardrum in the 3rd degree. And I don't need a grapevine to tell you motherfuckers hurting me. You can be blind and still see that I'm the least fake. Saturday nights I watch football and eat cheesecake. I tell the truth, so listen when I speak. I don't party, I stay home 7 days a week. What you drink? Come on man, none of that. I'm sober as it gets, and my life's on the fun track. And most of y'all looking like a drunk, high-waisted bitch. You say it be feeling good, well soon I'll be feeling rich. And when I do, I won't forget the people that love me. The girls that didn't wanna be my friend will then wanna fuck me. My honor to say no with nothing to think about. Paraplegic in the gym, it's funny how things work out. These rappers thought they were dope, but couldn't step up. If you the shit, I'm the janitor to clean your mess up. Life is one chance, and there was no way I'ma lose it. Hustle till I get it. Fuck you if you think I'll never do it.